You think you have no discipline, but that's not the real problem. The truth is, you've been programmed the wrong way. Most people believe discipline is something you either have or you don't. That some people are just naturally strong and others are weak. But that's completely wrong. If you have no discipline, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your environment and your habits are working against you. And once you understand that, you can actually change it. The first reason you have no discipline is your dopamine level. Your brain is overstimulated, you wake up, and the first thing you do is grab your phone. You scroll through videos, getting hundreds of tiny rewards within minutes. Then maybe gaming, watching shows, more scrolling. And now you're supposed to study, work out, or do something productive? Of course it feels boring. Your brain is used to instant gratification. Anything that takes effort now feels exhausting. And that's why you have no discipline. Not because you're weak, but because your brain has been trained the wrong way. The second reason is that you don't have a clear goal. Think about it honestly. What are you actually working towards? Most people say things like, I want to be successful, or I want to improve myself. But that's way too vague. If you don't have a clear goal, there's no reason to be disciplined. Why would you push yourself if you don't even know what for? Discipline needs direction. Without a goal, discipline makes no sense. The third reason is that you rely on motivation. And this is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Motivation feels good, but it's completely unreliable. One day you feel motivated, the next day you don't. If you only take action when you feel like it, you'll never be consistent. Discipline is the opposite of that. You do it anyway, no matter how you feel. Now let's talk about how to fix this. The first step is controlling your environment. You need to make it easier to be disciplined. If your phone is next to you, you will use it. If you're constantly distracted, you won't focus. So change your environment. Put your phone away. Turn off notifications. Make it as easy as possible to focus. The second step is starting small. Most people try to do too much at once. They say, from tomorrow, I'll work out every day for an hour, or I'll study for 3 hours daily, and they stick to it for maybe 2 days, then quit. The problem isn't discipline. The problem is that you're thinking too big. Start small. 10 minutes, that's it. But do those 10 minutes every single day. That's how real discipline is built. The third step is consistency, not perfection, not motivation, just consistency. There will be days when you don't feel like doing anything. That's normal, but those are the days that matter the most. If you do it anyway, you get stronger. If you don't, you stay the same. At the end of the day, you need to understand this. Discipline is not something special. It's not a personality trait you either have or don't have. It's simply the result of your habits and your environment. If you change your environment, start small, and stay consistent, you will naturally become more disciplined. Not overnight, but step by step. And that's how real change happens.